Nom. Full breakfast, so you can use store-bought tortillas or you can make your own from scratch. Just 2 cups of harina de maíz, half teaspoon of sea salt and pinch of smoked paprika, 1.5 cup of hot water. Just shape a firm ball. Now divide the dough into 35-gram balls. Grab your tortilla press or some flat object and press your taco. Throw it into the pan, 50 seconds on both sides. After it's finished, store it like this. Now let's make our salsa pico de gallo. Chipotle mayonnaise. Basically just mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, chipotles, salt and pepper. Now let's sear our sausage and make scrambled eggs with cheese. Nom, 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 nom. Wow. The fresh tortilla just hits different. I love it. It's more like brunch, guys, to be honest. Full breakfast. I love these kinds of Saturday breakfast. Nom. So balanced. The sausage, the eggs with cheese, pico de gallo, chipotle mayonnaise. It's really delicious. Totally worth the effort.